Hi and welcome to our channel. If you're a professional in online marketing or strategy, you need a logo that expresses your expertise and professionalism. There are hundreds of logo design services eager for you to subscribe to them, and some are even free. But not all of these services can offer you a professionally designed logo. In this video, we will tell you about Zarla, a handy online logo maker. Observe, we have a lot to show you.
Zarla is a handy online artificial intelligence-based logo maker that you can use to create beautiful logos for any type of business or brand. The platform offers easy-to-use customization tools and resources for logo design ideas organized by industry, which provide inspiration and insight into design elements. Designing a logo may seem daunting, especially if you don't have advanced graphic design skills, but it doesn't have to be a daunting task. When you take on the challenges of logo design, it can be an exciting step on your brand journey. Defining the role of your logo will help you create a design that ticks all your boxes. Think carefully about how your logo will help shape the perception of your brand. How the different elements, icons, colors, typography, space and scale come together in your logo will determine its style. Different styles work better for certain businesses, and no one logo style works for everyone. If none of the typical logo styles work for you, feel free to mix and match styles until you find the perfect aesthetic design. Choose a classic style if you want to create a timeless logo that doesn't need a redesign shortly. Redesigning a logo can take a lot of time and money. The vintage style will add a nostalgic twist to any logo design. Hand-drawn illustrations go well with this aesthetic and can also give your brand a great look. Try a minimalist style with lots of white space, clean lines, sharp corners, and a limited color palette for an ultra-modern logo. Geometric shapes are often used in modern logos. Think triangles, rectangles, trapezoids, and similar forms. The fun style can appeal to companies with a younger audience or dynamic brand. A fun logo style with positive and often quirky energy uses whimsical illustrations and mascots to create a character. Give your logo a simple sophistication or brightness by using a hand-drawn style. Hand-drawn lines are perfect for businesses that want to convey a sense of tradition, quality, and authenticity. Now that you've decided on your logo style, you'll need to decide on the type of logo that's most appropriate for your business. There are 7 different logos to choose from. A monogram or letter mark usually consists of 2 or 3 letters, which may be accompanied by graphics, but usually stands alone. A monogram usually uses the initials of the brand. Some examples include NASA, H&M, and the BBC. Graphic signs, sometimes called symbolic or iconic logos, are logos composed of individual images without text. These logos usually use 1 or 2 colors, but are easily identified without any color. The Nike tick and the Twitter mascot, Larry Bird, are some examples. Word marks, also called logos, use the full name of a brand or company as the logo. Unique font and distinctive name create a good word mark. When designing a word mark, focus on typography, font, and color. Some examples include Coca-Cola, Visa, and Disney. The easiest way to create an accessible brand is to use a mascot logo. These logos use characters as focal points, which helps build rapport between the brand and the audience. These logos are often accompanied by brand names, but a really good mascot should be able to stand on its own. If you want to create a logo that carries prestige and status, choose a logo with an emblem. This includes icons or symbols with text elements within them. Consider a school badge. These logos are preferred by organizations, institutions, and government agencies. Abstract logos offer unique, unlimited design possibilities and remain relevant even as the nature of the company changes. These logos have no intrinsic connection to your brand. If you don't like any of the above, a combination mark may be the answer. Combination logos use both text and graphics, icons, mascots, or symbols to represent the brand. Both text and visual elements need to work harmoniously together in a logo. Before you start creating a single logo, try a few options and see what works best. Word and combination marks are better suited for new businesses that are not yet established, as they contain the company's name, image, and slogan. Regardless of where your logo will be displayed, choose one of the following logo options for a perfect fit. Primary logo. Your primary logo, from which all other options are created. This logo includes your company name, slogan, graphics, and brand colors. This logo is usually displayed in your store, on your website, and in other marketing materials. Elements of your main logo can be rearranged to create an additional symbol. The easiest way to do this is to switch the orientation from stacked to horizontal or vice versa. A secondary logo can be found on labels, social media, and other printed materials. A simplified version of your logo, more commonly known as a sublabel or trademark, includes the full brand name and a small icon. In some cases, sublabels also use the initials of your company name. They can be found in small spaces such as footers on websites or emails, business cards, blog images, etc. Color plays a crucial role in marketing and advertising. By choosing the right colors for your logo, you can expand the brand narrative and evoke certain feelings and ideas that you want to associate your brand with. Try different color combinations and shades until you find the best color scheme for your logo. Combining colors can be tricky, so get others' opinions before you make your final decision. When it comes to logo design, keep it simple. Create an easily reproducible logo consisting of 1 to 3 colors and is recognizable even in plain black. Garnish, font, and typography play a vital role in your logo's look and overall appeal, so you should pay close attention to them. The typeface and font you choose should complement the style of your logo. When choosing the text elements of your logo, be sure to do thorough research and planning. Look at the fonts used by other brands in your industry. Understand how the font affects your logo style. Feel free to combine fonts, but don't use more than 2 different fonts in one logo. With Zola's intuitive logo builder, you can quickly create hundreds of logo designs in minutes. To get started, go to the homepage. Enter your brand name and click Create Your Logo. Start typing the industry, then select it from the drop-down menu, click Next. Enter your slogan, then click Next. Click Select Icons for me or search for icons. Browse through the logo designs and choose the best one. Customize your logo, enter your email address in the upper right corner and click Upload. Check your inbox and follow the instructions to access your free logo files. Set your logo choices side by side and rate the best ones. Get opinions from friends, colleagues, potential clients, and trusted mentors to help you make your final choice. Once you've decided on the perfect logo, you'll need to integrate it into all aspects of your business. Choose the best logo options for your business cards, packaging, design, website, emails, social media pages, company card, and more. Be sure to establish brand guidelines for typography, colors, and possible color combinations of your logos before requesting any branded materials.